Hello everyone, I'm Sarah Hawkins. I'm the Wellness Dietitian here at Berkshire Health Systems, and I'd like to share with you a very common immune supporting food that's actually in season right now. As the saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are a wonderful source of fiber, vitamin C, and a little-known flavonoid antioxidant called quercetin, which is mostly in the skin of the apple. Now, there are several ways to incorporate apples into your daily routine. You can have apple wedges with some of your favorite nut butter, or how about grating some apple on top of your salad? Or you can even try roasting apples with your favorite fall veggies, with some Brussels sprouts, butternut squash, or some pumpkin in fact. All right, and now I'd like to share with you one of my favorite quick and easy recipes. So I have 2 apples chopped here. I kept the skin on because remember, that's where the fiber and that quercetin is. And I'm going to make a lovely topping. We start with some almond butter. This is 2 tablespoons almond butter. Okay, get that in there. Okay. Then I've got this yummy local maple syrup. Okay, this is a 1/4 cup. You can certainly do a little bit less. Okay, still just as delicious. Give that a little stir. And then adding, this is 1½ teaspoons of almond extract. Smells delicious. Okay, so give it a stir until it looks very saucy. Here we go. All right, then we have our apples. I'm just going to do a little topping on each. Looks like caramel sauce. All right, and then we have a little, this is grated coconut, 2 tablespoons, split between each, but certainly use your discretion, and some chopped nuts. So nutritious. All right, well, that's my recipe. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you give this recipe a little try, and then come back and see me for more nutritious recipes to come very soon. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.